I want to say a couple of things about the C10 show truck. Sadly, I was outside, so I couldn't really get. I had to rush it, and that I couldn't find the latch or lever, whatever what it is, to open the hood, and that I couldn't really see what any of the knobs were. It didn't just give me a description or say a word of anything. So sorry about that, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's review and enjoy.
We are reviewing a 1966 Chevrolet C10. It has a small block V8 editor. Put in how much horsepower it has. It has an automatic transmission, and it has a two-tone yellow and white pastel. Which I kind of like. We got a front bumper, Chevrolet badge. And my name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We have reviewed a C10 before. We reviewed this one actually a long time ago, about almost a year ago. And we have another one. That was outside and it's outside, so hopefully my camera does not overheat. Like kind of making sure it doesn't. But let's get on into it. If you like C10 trucks, classic trucks, it's a perfect video for you. I'm gonna try to show the engine. It is tuned. This is not a regular truck though. We have the Chevrolet badge. There's a Chevrolet on it. Mirrors, polished, trim pieces, it is custom too, so just cool. Got the bed, again, here's the polished rear bumper with the exhausts. You've got a bit of a breeze. The Chevrolet wording on it. We got the back window. Open and close, and let's get on inside. I'm gonna leave the door open. The reason why, because it's freaking hot in this truck. But here is the steering wheel. Try steering wheel. Try. Accelerator, brake, maybe over there opens the hood. I'm gonna try to open the hood. I really want to show you. If I can, I'll just pull up images. This is the key. This is something. More somethings. This is how fast you're going. Oil, the fuel, something right over here. Temperature, and then battery. Ashtray right there. This could have been your radio. Got your air conditioning right here. So you can see all the wires. Why? Oh god, it's already open. The seating is really comfortable. Got the wood, like also wood on the steering wheel. Stay with me. Here's the seat belts. They must have gone right there. But here's the seat belts. I like it. I like the seats are very comfortable, maybe in the cold. This would feel much better with like the carpet and everything. It's freaking like 93 degrees outside right now with humidity, with a bit of a breeze, so it kind of sucks. Let me try to pop the hood, and if I can, I can. So I give this like probably a 7. or maybe like I'd give this like a 5 out of 10, not a 7. That's me being too generous. There's just wires. I don't want to see the wires in a classic car. So, like I said, sad looking. You got your back mirror, and then your blinders right here. Oh my god, it's dusty. Woo! I do like this paint. I think I'd rather choose that one or this one. Got a big yellow line on the car, like this kind of yellow. But it's cool. It's cool. I don't know why I'm putting it like this. It's just freaking bright. And it's hot. Alright, I couldn't find where you could open the hood, but I will tell you what it has.
C10 show truck. It has a Holley Sniper EFI Carburetor, an Edelbrock SBC Intake manifold, an Edelbrock air cleaner, champion aluminum radiator, MSD distributor wiring, and an upgraded fuel cell.
So my favorite thing about this truck is my favorite thing with this truck is probably the steering wheel. I like these steering wheels and everything. I give it like to be generous, I give it like a 5. I don't like the wires.